Hello, hope you're doing good today. This is ESP, and I want to take a moment to show you how to have the member or vendors upload documents to a folder using our Sync&Share solution. Sync&Share is similar to like a Dropbox, if you're familiar with that, or Google Docs, where it's a bunch of files, folders that you can either share out or have people share into. And there's a lot of security, and it's all hosted here at ESP. So this video is strictly around the member uploading documents. So the quick use case for that would be maybe you need to complete a onboarding process with a member and you need some documentation or images that you would then maybe put it into Forza or put somewhere else on your network. So this is the Sync&Share page, and this is branded for ESP, but if your credit union obviously was using the solution or is using the solution, this is branded to your credit union, and you can change things like the images and colors. But for this particular case, I am a credit union staff member, and I want to request documents from a member. And the first thing I need to do is log in and go to My Files. And I need to, if I haven't already, and I haven't, create a folder for member documents or whatever you may want to call it. And then we hit enter. And now we go back to the root. That folder is created. Okay, so now we need to allow for upload. So we come over here to share. And you can see this is the details on the folder. It is ready to share. However, we want to modify some of the permissions. But we're going to start up here. I like changing the name of the folder so it's a better experience for the member, the share link. So I've just done that, save. I'm going to change the share name as well because I think it's good to just be consistent. Okay, save. Never expires, unlimited upload size, email notifications. So if something happens in the folder, like the member does upload documents, then you would get a notification saying that some activity is taking place and you can go check the folder. Now right here, we want to allow anyone with the link because this just simply means anyone can use it and they don't need an account with Sync&Share to utilize the link. But on the drop down, we have 5 options. We're going to choose upload only, but one thing to note is view and upload. The difference between view and upload only is that, of course, they can view the contents of the folder. We don't want that in this case because I may use this link multiple times. Maybe I put it in my email signature. Whatever the case may be, I'm going to use this. Multiple people will be using it, and I don't want them to see the contents. So we're going to do upload only. Hit OK. And it's done. So now we need to get the link, copy to clipboard. Okay. And I'm going to log out so that it doesn't automatically log me in. I'm going to create an email to the member. We're going to send it to sales. You could use a template in this case if you have one for communicating with members in a certain process like member onboarding or vendor relations, or you can do one-off emails. And I'm going to do this really quick and simple. You would want to, of course, be a little more detailed for the member experience. And I'm just going to put upload documents here. And you can be specific, of course. Please upload driver's license, whatever the case may be. Now you can just paste the link, or what I like to do is I like to highlight, right-click, link, paste, and now that link is embedded in the text. So we hit send, and as this is coming through our email program over here, I will pull up that email. Again, this email you're going to see as if I am the member. So I have received this, okay? So I'm the member and I say, okay, I need to upload some documents. Click this, and this is the site. So they have 2 options. They can click upload and it will pop open the file explorer, or they can drag and drop. We're going to drag and drop. So I'm going to choose I'll choose 2 files. You can do as many, they can do as many as they want. It can be any format, images, JPEGs, anything like that. But we're just highlight 2. I'm going to drag it over here, and you can see they're uploading. It's been uploaded. Okay, so now we're going to get out of this. Now I'm the credit union staff member that sent the link. I would have received a notification saying that those have been uploaded. So that would trigger me to come in here and check those documents. So I log in, go to My Files, Member Documents, and you can see both of them are here. I can view them, I can download them, I can print them, I can do anything. So a good working example would be maybe it's a driver's license image, you download that image and you push it into Forza. Or you could just simply take these files off of Sync&Share and put them somewhere on your network or shared drive that you use internally. Or you can certainly leave them out here. That is as easy as that process gets. That's all. It's complete. The member's been taken care of. The credit union got the information they needed, and you're done. And so if you have any other questions, would like to have additional information on pricing for this product, please reach out to sales@ESP and we'll be happy to get back to you on that. Thank you. Have a great day.